Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at the basics of sorting data in Microsoft Excel. Here I have a table of data. It's not actually formatted as a table, it's just sort of an arrangement of data in a set of columns and rows. I can easily reorder this data by determining first of all what column I want to order it on. For example, if I want to order it on client name, I'll click in the client name column. It doesn't matter where. I'll go up here on the Home tab of the ribbon to the Sort and Filter option, and I'm just going to choose to sort A to Z. And when I do, you can see that Excel is noting that I have a set of headings on my columns, and so it's not sorting the heading data, but it is sorting all of my clients in order by name. Now I can do that, for example, for a field that has dates in it. Let's just click in the date field. Let's go up here to sort and filter. And now you can see we get oldest to newest and newest to oldest, which is not A to Z because this is not a character column. This is a set of dates. So let's go from newest to oldest. Again, you can see that the data is now ordered and all of these columns have adjusted. So this data is consistent across our table. It just hasn't arranged this column, it's arranged all of the data. And you could do that for numbers too. Let's go to drawing number here and let's click on sort and filter. Let's go smallest to largest. And you can see that now these are arranged in numeric order. But what if we had a column like the type of drawing here where we've got a lot of repeated entries. We've got lots of garage and lots of houses and lots of remodels. Well, if we wanted to order these by the type of drawing, and if there were more than one drawing of a particular type, for example, we wanted to order them by the date that they were drawn, we can't do that easily. So what we're going to do in this situation is we're going to sort and filter again, but this time we're going to custom sort. We're clicking here my data has headers because that means that Excel is going to ignore this top row of data, which is really important because it shouldn't be part of the sort. Now we want to order everything by the type of drawing, so we're going down here to type of drawing, and it's going to be A to Z. So extension would appear before garage, but of course we've got lots of garages, so let's then order the garages in order by date drawn. So we're going to click here to add a level. So we're going to sort by the type of drawing, and if there is more than one drawing of a particular type, then we would like them to be ordered by the date that they were drawn, from oldest to newest or from newest to oldest, whichever order you want. And I'll click OK. And you see here now we've got two extensions and these are ordered from newest to oldest. And same for all our garages. These are all ordered from newest to oldest, and houses and remodels, etc. So you can do simple reordering by just using the sort and filter options on a particular column. In this case, it's the drawing number column. Just click here to sort everything in order. If you need to do a sort of two-step sorting where you're going to get the type of drawing and the date drawn, where you have more than one drawing of a particular type, then you're going to come in here and do your custom sort, and you're going to select the two columns that you want to order on and then just click OK. When you're just starting out sorting, it's a really good idea to save your file before you actually sort in case things go wrong. That way, if things do go wrong, you could choose File and Close and make sure you close without saving your file so that you could reopen the older version of the file before you actually did the sort where things went a little bit haywire. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.